Okay, so I'm getting a lot of questions about problems like this. How I solve them is I read the question, let's look at it. The population sizes of many animal species rise and fall over time. Suppose that the population size of a certain species can be modeled by the following. In this equation, P times T, or whatever that is, this is Y. Y represents the total population size, and T, or X in this case, is the time in years. Suppose we start at X equals 0 years. During the first 9 years, when will the population size be 4,600? So I see here that Y is the population size, or PT, and we're trying to find when it is 4,600. So I put in Desmos, I already put the equation, and instead of T, I use X, because, when it translates over to Desmos, T is X. And we're going to put Y equals 4,600. And we want within the first 9 years. I put X equals 9 for the sake of being able to visualize where it's, how do I explain it? Where it first reaches that population size, because we'll have to zoom in a lot, because obviously you can't see anything here. So what I do is I take off the equation, like you can graph and ungraph it, and I zoom in to where these two lines intersect as much as I can. Let's see if I can graph it now. There you go. And you get 2 points where it intersects here and here. So the first time, let's see where it wants us to round. Nearest hundredth of a year. So 2 decimal places. So it will be 2.91 and 6. What is that? 09, I think. Yeah. 100th. Yeah. Okay. And that's how you do that. Let's see if I got it right. Yeah, I got it right. I have 2 more questions I need to do, but that is correct. Okay. There is also another kind of version where it asks you, it gives you the velocity and asks you to find theta. I have yet to figure that one out, so I'm not very much a help with that kind of question.